Space-time contact. The Dirac Sea. Singularities and black holes. 10 lectures string theory. The universe's cosmic mystery. Do you have a brief history in time? Did you buy all of that? Done. Oh. Did the association add new subjects to the Hunter's exam? If you're thinking about switching careers to become an astrophysicist, start with this. What did you just say? Weren't you supposed to be reading? Why are you staring at my face? Hmm? The author has been really slow with updates these past few years. At this rate, I probably won't see the ending. That's why I read each volume carefully. I need to savor every word. Until we invent time machines or regret pills, people will always think about the life they didn't choose. I'm more of a take things as they come kind of person. I've been looking for this MP3 player for ages, so this is where it ended up. Yeah, the audio quality is pretty good. That bounty you mentioned, how much? Oh. Not anymore. Their system updates very quickly. There's already a bounty on Xavier. Looks like they added a 0 compared to Lumiere's. I thought you might actually call the Bureau. I figured I should at least get some hush money in advance. Do you need help? I'll stay downstairs and tidy things up until you get back. Don't take too long. And don't forget what we promised tonight.
The bounty has been posted. Target, Xavier. Gender, male. Height.
Oh.
Welcome. Please feel free to look. Oh, it's you. Why couldn't you arrive later? If you waited another 30 minutes, I'd be off duty.
Ah, I hope I didn't keep you waiting, dear. I wrapped these years ago, so they won't come off. Is that okay? I loved this comic book series when I was younger. That's why I always kept these in good condition. It's rare to meet a young person who's willing to go to such lengths to find them. It makes me happy. Your friend is around your age, right? Won't young people think old comic books like this are outdated? Once you know half a story, you want to see how it ends. If you don't know when the hero began their journey or where they're headed, you'll only be left with regrets.
Hey, we can still continue with the plan, right? Xavier won't get in the way? Perfect. I'll handle the setup. I'll see you tonight.
Come with me. I guess they're confident enough to strike whenever they want. They're not bothering to wait for the right day. The drones are still nearby. It looks like I've made too many enemies, but...
Locking onto target.
Run. cookies you bought today smell great. Which bakery are they from? I think we should get more.
Why did you come back?
Sorry, we'll buy everything here tonight.
You're that...
You have the wrong guy. It's not me.
I didn't even say who you were, though. I must be hallucinating from baking too long. There's no way he still looks that young after all these years. But he looks exactly like the guy from the club I worked at. The one who said he was an undercover cop.
It's another long story. But right now... let's deal with the troublesome matter behind us once and for all. I got into some trouble earlier. I need to clean up. No need. It's not serious or dangerous. And it's not that I don't need you. You just look really pretty tonight. I don't want your dress to get dirty. I'll be quick. If you get bored, listen to this.
Has occurred in the city center. All citizens are advised to evacuate immediately.
What are you listening to? That was the very first time I heard Earth sounds. It's probably just debris from another exploding ship. That's why you should cherish me. Let's move. I'll bribe the cosmos. It'll give you the best star. It already heard my wishes. That happened a long time ago. I don't need to make more. I'll thank them. Curious? Then allow me to say it instead. You said my secrets are like dark matter, invisible and impossible to observe. But those invisible parts, they move toward your light. An older wish of mine. Was to meet you. And right now, I have you. I'll never let go. Maybe they've decided to make the show a little more spectacular because they know someone's watching with me now. Then stay where you are. Do what you did earlier, whether you're buying your favorite bread or just wandering around. I'll always find you. What's this?
Repeat after me. Xavier is magnificent.
Why is he here? Why is he here too?
Wait, weren't we supposed to bring him back at midnight? When did the plan change?
So, should I walk out the front door and come back in again?
Where are the balloons? Why are they inflated? Oh no, I forgot to play the Lumiere movie Easter egg compilation. We were supposed to watch him react. I was waiting for that. Whatever, let's do it together. Happy birthday!
So can I expect to hear something more touching this year?
Well, that's not just a birthday. It's more like a birth anniversary.
You're better off hearing those stories from me. Directly.
I'll get going now. I've seen the joy that comes with a birthday. Just like last year. Enjoy the rest of the night, you two. Is this a new filming drone model? Did you set this up as a surprise for Xavier and not tell me? Oh, it's flashing red now. Should I smile for the kid?
Get down. My wish came true a little faster than I expected. It caught me off guard. Thank you. But shining 24/7 doesn't sound very eco-friendly.
Hello, sir. The renovations are complete. You can move back in as early as tomorrow night.
Thanks. Let me stay with you for one more night.
Reheat for 5 minutes in the oven. Top and bottom heat, 180 degrees.
Yeah. I only found out recently. After the Chrono Rift catastrophe, he changed his pen name and started creating again. I said the suit-wearing villain in Chapter 232 of his last comic book series felt more like a plot device, and his death was kind of weird. But I hope he keeps creating. I'll keep reading his works. Hello?
Tremble before me, Xavier. I sacrificed a week's worth of sleep to rewrite the tracking drone programs. The rest of those little drones, once they return to base, they'll self-destruct immediately. Also, that enemy who came after you on your birthday, it turns out they're an active group of assassins on the dark web. They have nothing to do with your old grudges. In other words, you're safe now.
Thanks. Since you're here, peace on Earth is possible.
Happy birthday, old friend. Maybe you can use your birthday wish for your personal safety next time. Also, why does the IP address for the bounty lead back to you?
It's nothing. I bet Jeremiah got too worked up and hung up on accident. If 50 million was right in front of you, would you take it? Or would you choose me? Really? It's not that. This is the first time I've gotten a confession. I wasn't prepared. Someone chose me over 50 million. Isn't that the most romantic confession in the world? Who knows? There might be other extraterrestrial guests like me hiding in this committee. You brought your camera when we left. I thought you'd be watching me from the audience.
Mr. Xavier, you'll be on stage in 3 minutes. Please get ready.
I know. I'm nervous.
As requested by the Discoverer, asteroid number 470246 will be named the Not So Bad Star.
At events like this, do people usually say something else along with what's in the script? Who am I thanking? Then the one I should thank the most. That person is you. Thank you for existing. I'm about to go. Shouldn't I get a little encouragement for a nerve-wracking moment?
Now, let's welcome the discoverer of this asteroid, our passionate astronomy enthusiast, Mr. Xavier, to the stage.